Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And in this video I wanted to show you the quick how-to to assemble this cute little bag here that's great for party favors or just anytime you have a little gift or some treats. So I have a 6x6 piece of Designer Series paper here, and we're going to do some scoring with the Simply Scored scoring tool. We're going to put that corner, the left corner, in the upper left corner of the scoring tool and keep it aligned along the top so that we get some good scoring measurements. And we're going to score at 1 1/4, 2 1/2, 3 3/4, and 5. Now we're going to turn one rotation to do one score that will be the bottom of the box. If your paper has directionality, you want to make sure that wherever you put this final score, that the pattern is going up and down the way you would like for it to, okay? So it won't be upside down if you have little animals or flowers, if the paper has directionality. Okay, so here I'm going to do another 1 1/4 inch score. And now we can put the Simply Scored away and go ahead and do some burnishing with our bone folder. So let's get some neat creases here. And when you do this, it helps the box assembly go together a lot easier. Whoops, and gives a neater finish. All right, so now we need to do some trimming and cutting. So on this particular piece, there is a score line here that's 1 inch, and this one is at 1 1/4. So the smaller end is where we're going to cut off the tab at the bottom, and it's just the small rectangle formed by the intersecting score lines. And then for the rest of the score lines down here, I'm just going to come up and snip on the score line up to that intersecting mark. Now that's the 1 1/4 inch score that we made for the bottom of the box. Okay, let's go ahead and assemble. So on this small tab where we cut off the bottom, I'm just going to use some Snell adhesive. You could use tear and tape or the liquid glue, and that would require holding it just a bit to let it set. Okay, then where this seam is, we're going to call the back. So that's what's going to determine the order that I put my flaps in. So I'm going to do the two sides first, okay, and then the back, and then this final flap needs a little bit of adhesive, and we'll close it up. Now you could use the box like this and pinch it closed like that, but we're going to go crossways and have a little diagonal pinch I should say, where the width of the bag is larger there at the bottom than the top. And so what you would do here to close it, you could staple it if it was for adults or older children, or you can punch some holes and thread some ribbon or twine through, such as what I did here, and then attach a cute little tag. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Visit my website at InkandInspirations.com, and I will see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.